Hey guys, welcome to this video. Here we are ready to explore and learn more about the interface of Google AdWords. If you go right now to adwords.google.com, you will see this interface. Click on Home right now, and from this interface is where we are creating new campaigns, creating new ads, watching the results that we are having with your ads, seeing the keywords, finding the best keywords for your audience. All of that we are doing here on this interface. We have here the top menu, which is the main way to navigate from one place, from one tool to another. Here we have Home, Campaigns, Opportunities, Report, and Tools. On the Home menu, we have a general view of your account. In this case, you are seeing some data, probably yours, because we created a brand new account from you. You won't have many data here, but as you can see, we can see the total number of interactions, impressions, interaction rate, average cost of your ads, and the total cost of your ads so far in this specific time frame. The next one is campaigns. If we click on campaigns, here is where we are creating new campaigns later in the course. And if you are a little bit overwhelmed with all this information, all these options, don't worry. We'll talk about each one of them later here on the course. On the left, we have the left menu when we see all the campaigns. So if you click on each campaign, you can see data from that campaign. Let's say, for example, let's click on this one, how to make a website. We click on the campaign, and below we have the ad group. Ad group are group of ads that you can create inside each campaign. Let's say we have a campaign to promote your hotel in New York City, and we have one group of ads running a 30% off discount, and we have another group of ads running a promotion for Thanksgiving, for example. So you can have different group of ads, and we will talk about that later too, running for one specific campaign. So if you have more than one, you click on the campaign here, which is on blue right now, for example, the how to make a website, and below that you see all your ad groups. Right now we have only one. Also here on the left menu, you see the different campaigns we have. We have the first one, which is campaign number 1. You see on the left, we have an icon, which is the search. Remember that we talk about the different types of ad that we can create. We have the search ad, we have the display ads, and we have the video ads. So in this case, this icon is, on this case specifically, for the search ad. And the next one here, for example, the one that is in blue, is for the video ads. So that's another way to identify specific campaigns that you have. Also on the right here, when you click on the specific campaign, you see data from your campaign. You can see a sample of your ad running. On this case, I have this campaign pause for now. This is the total impressions that I have, how many views on this video. This is a video campaign. The view rate, the average cost per view, and the total cost for this campaign. And for this campaign, you have the campaign menu here at the top too. So if I click on ad groups, I can see all the ad groups for this campaign. And you can also see here on the left side, settings. You can change the setting of your campaign. You have the ads, specific ads that you have inside this campaign, videos and video targeting. Also here on opportunities, if we go to the next option in the top menu, we have opportunities that Google is showing us some changes that we can make on our account, on our ads, on our campaigns that can change the results. So in this case, they are saying, hey, this is what you need to do in order to improve your campaign. And this is different for each account. That depends on the keywords you have, the ads you have, and how your ads are performing. They will give you suggestions here on the opportunities tab. The next one is the report tab. So we are talking about this later on the course too, where you can see the results, you can see graphics, and how your ads are performing. And the last one is tools. This is great because inside tools, we have great tools to make sure everything is working fine, like conversions, attribution, Google Analytics. And my favorite here is the keyword planner. I'll show you later in the next videos how to use the Google keyword planners to find the best keywords for your ads, okay? If you want to change your settings, you can come here on the top right-hand side, the settings icon. You have here the billing option, account settings, link account, and the help option if you want to ask for help on this specific panel, okay? This is a general overview of the dashboard. I know it's too many options here, too many new terms, terminologies, but don't worry, by the end of this module, you will have your campaign running here on Google AdWords, okay? And in the next video, we continue with the course. See you there.